Thutha wa thirikari gukorwo igikaira Akenya kunyitanira na kumiteithiriria gukura Akenya kuma gitango-ini kia ng'aragu. Akenya kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi riu mari mituki-ini ya gwikore mangihota gucokanira irio nyumu na uteithio ungikura na ng'aragu. Na mwena wa mwingi kaunti-ini ya Kitui, ritana riri rikiritwo rugari ni gikundi kimwe kia uri biashara, andu a wendi mwega na atumia kwatura aria hinyiririku.
We sat down as a business community and thought, now that God has blessed us with an extra, we can mobilize ourselves and look for something to share with our communities, the ones who are suffering.
These are just part of the people who are affected, and I take this opportunity to appreciate their efforts. It will go a long way with assisting those who are affected. From the national government, we were able to receive food which we were able to distribute to about 4,000 people in the community. They were able to get rice and beans, that is dry food stuffs.
Kurumirira urumwe uria ubitwo kugerera nenda cia ukinyaniria Facebook, WhatsApp na njira ingi, gikundi giki ni kihotete gucokaniriria irio nyumu mari na itanya ria gukinyira micii itanyihire 1,000 wadi-ini ciothe 6 cia gicigo kia ubunge kia Mwingi ya Gatagati.
We have people who are going for around 3 days without food, 3 good days without food, especially the disabled and those who are not employed. We have, the drought has been there for a long time, and you saw the president even urging Kenyans, before you even look for donors, I think as Kenyans you can give something.
Ikereka ria mbere rĩa uheani wa irio ici ukinyirite family 500 thoko-ini ya Kithani.
Iko na shida. Kuko wengine hawezi kufika hapa hata tukiandika, lakini sijui kama ameandikwa, sijui kama amefanywa nini. Marori ya Akenya angimetekire kuyukia ritana riri handu ha kwirigagirira uteithio o kuma kuri thirikari riri makiri madu na mahiu mathiete na mbere na kugirika.
The main issue that we need to tell our friends and our fellow Kenyans is that if God has blessed you with an extra coin, kindly, wherever you are, mobilize your friends, mobilize anybody who is capable and give what you can. The issue was not even a lot of money, it was about who is ready to give. And they say, kutoa ni moyo, sio utajiri.
Arĩa magunĩkĩte na ũteithio ũyũ matithĩte gĩkeno kĩao, makiuga ũteithio ũyũ ũkĩte rĩrĩ ũrabatarikanĩte makĩria.
Tunashukurani sana kwa siku ya leo kupata chakula, kwa maana tuko na shida nyingi ya chakula, tunalala njaa bila kukula. Mimi nimetoka Kithani, sub-location Kithani. Kwa hivyo nashukuru sana kwa sababu leo watoto wetu watasaidika, watakula washibe.
Ribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.